I'm always stranded when I have to make a very simple head wrap, but I bless the day I found out this hack. And I'm going to share with you because we don't gatekeep here. Even with my small material, I was still able to achieve this. So here's my material, which I folded up to give me like a layer. Then we move to next step, which is just closing up the material like you're folding it into two. The down part like this is going to be pleated a bit and use your band to secure it. Ask me after securing, what do we have to do? Open it up like this, then you're going to grab another band after folding it up like this at the top as well. Use your rubber band to grab it as well. Then next thing is going to be open up that part there, then dip your hand into it, use it to divide it into two, and you pick another band. So if you want to do this head wrap, you need band like rubber band, ear band, anything band, get it available. So you have this thing like this, right? Now wear it up like you're wearing a cap, where you have the SS at the back. We're going to add a brooch to cover up the band that we use here, but if you use the band that matches your fabric, fine, you don't need any, only if you want to beautify it. Now come to the back and dip the SS in, adjust all adjustables, and we are done. Let me know in the comments if you are going to be trying this hack out, and don't forget to give a thumbs up for a job well done.